Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you're someone who has ever wanted to pursue art on a professional level, you've probably asked the reasonable question, should I go to art school? We're not answering that question for you today, because our opinion on the matter has little to do with what you've got going on in your life. Instead, we're offering something totally different than art school, but hopefully still pretty valuable. It's the Mango Street syllabus. I was trying something, I'm gonna do it again. It's the Mango Street syllabus. It's the Mango Street syllabus.
Yeah.
The Mango Street syllabus is a collection of prompts for people who care about art and creativity. If you complete it, you won't get a degree, you won't learn the history of your craft or how to perfect your skills. In fact, if we've done this right, you won't learn anything at all. The goal of the Mango Street syllabus is unlearning. It's forgetting everything you've been taught and remembering the part of you that already knows how and why you make things. It's about tapping into your authenticity, reconnecting with your inner child, and reminding yourself how to play. You can do the prompts in any order. There are no rules. The only way you can mess this up is if you care about messing it up. So without further ado, here's the syllabus. Take up a secret artistic pursuit like it's a love affair that you never tell anyone about. Romanticize it, spend time thinking about it, learning it, practicing it, for no one else other than you. Googly eyes. Put googly eyes in places where they belong and places that they don't. Play in the rain. Unstructured play. When we're kids and we love to do things like drawing or gymnastics or soccer, our parents put us in classes or on teams and we learn that there's a right and a wrong way to play. Sometimes we even perform play in front of parents and coaches and referees and judges, and all the magic turns into something more structured and formal and mechanical and inauthentic. Try remembering the way you used to love to play and re-engage with it without any structure.
Did I show you that home video where I was playing tetherball and then I got hit in the face and I was like, all right.
Bad on purpose. Do something imperfect. Draw something sloppy, make something ugly, take crooked photos, do something bad on purpose and see if you can figure out a way to love it anyway. Return to the beginning. Remember the way we all used to make things with pom-poms and popsicle sticks and pipe cleaners and glue? Do that again. Noticing. Go on a walk outside and notice everything green. Go on another walk and notice everything that's blue. Then do the same with red, then orange and pink and yellow. Movement. Forget about structured dance and running and squash and deadlifts. Remember the way you moved when you were a kid, the way you used a fence as a gymnastics bar or a curb as a balance beam. Remember the way you danced when you were 2. Remember the way you did snow angels on the kitchen floor and jumped off swings. Do that. Build a website with Squarespace.
Nothing makes me and Chester happier than building a website with Squarespace. We've been Squarespace customers long before this YouTube channel was even a thing, and before Chesterfield was even born. Now I can build even faster using the new Design Intelligence feature on Squarespace. This gives me a huge head start in adding content and sections to my site in a beautiful way. Trying out different color themes and fonts instantly gives me a preview showing how my site will look. Or I can get started with a wide variety of professionally designed website templates, and then make it my own. And when I'm ready to book clients, I can easily create professional proposals, estimates, and contracts to make it all official. I can then invoice my clients and accept payments from ACH Direct Debit, Klarna, Apple Pay, and more. Head to squarespace.com/mangostreet for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, use the code MangoStreet at checkout to save 10% on your first purchase of a website or domain. When you use our code, you do help support our channel, so thank you.
Draw Shrek. Without a reference photo, try to draw Shrek from memory. Find a rock. Go outside, find the best rock you can, and give it to someone it reminds you of. Collage. Ask your friends and family for all of their old magazines and collage a picture that has everything on it that the 7-year-old version of you really loved, and hang it on the fridge proudly. Be seen. Go to a storytelling event or open mic or karaoke night or ecstatic dance class and express yourself in front of other people without regarding what they might think of you for doing it. Write a poem. Write a poem that makes you nervous and put it somewhere where someone can find it. Parachute. Find one of those gym class parachutes and sit with your 4th grade class under it. Fly a kite. Okay, I hope you have fun with these. Also, if it if you like the video and it asks you to hype it on mobile, try that. Try doing that too. It won't help you connect with your inner child, but it might help us afford health insurance.